Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday promised the Indian diaspora across the world that his government is working to create the India of their dreams. He was addressing the expat community in Australia.
The Indian Prime Minister reached New South Wales on Monday as part of the second leg of his Australian tour. He was received in a grand manner at the Sydney airport. Prime Minister Modi was welcomed by the Indian community in an exuberant fashion at the Alphonse Arena. The glittering event was a mix of traditional Indian and Australian Aboriginal performances. Addressing an audience of nearly 16,000, the Prime Minister recalled the long-standing ties between India and Australia and the exchange of shared values between the two communities. Modi said time has come for India to come forward globally.
मुझे कोई कारण नहीं लगता है भाइयों बहनों, कोई कारण मुझे नहीं लगता है कि हमारा देश अब पीछे रह जाए. मुझे कोई कारण नहीं लगता है. नियति ने उसका आगे जाना तय कर लिया है.
Former Australian pace bowler Brett Lee was also present to greet the Indian Premier. Prime Minister Modi also referred to the love for cricket that binds the two nations.
न ऑस्ट्रेलिया न इंडिया क्रिकेट के बिना जी सकते हैं. क्रिकेट ने हमें जोड़ा है, लेकिन उससे पहले हमारी ऐसी सांस्कृतिक विरासत रही है, इतिहास की ऐसी घटनाएं रही है जिसने हमें अटूट रूप से जोड़ा हुआ है.
Modi reached Sydney from Brisbane after attending the G20 summit. Addressing the leaders of the top 20 economies in the world, Prime Minister Modi emphasized on the need for a cooperative global effort to tackle the issue of unaccounted money. The Indian Premier, who is on a 5-day visit to Australia, had a number of bilateral engagements too. He met German Chancellor Angela Merkel and Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Salman Abdulaziz on the sidelines of the G20 summit. Later addressing a business gathering hosted by Queensland Premier Campbell Newman, Modi called for Australian companies to invest in the country's mining sector as part of his recently announced ambitious Make in India campaign. Prime Minister Modi, who left for Canberra later in the day, will also visit Melbourne as part of his tour. He will visit Fiji on Wednesday before concluding his 10-day three-nation tour.